Welcome back to Writing, first grade friends. Today's the start of a new unit. We're going to start working on small moments. But what is a small moment story? Let's figure out what it's all about. A small moment story is not just any story, it's a story that focuses on a tiny part of a day. The author, which is you, is going to write a story about one small moment in one day. What else makes a small moment an actual small moment story? The setting has to stay the same. The story starts in one place and it has to end in the very same place. Number three, a small moment story is always a true story. This means the characters are real, they're not pretend characters or fictional creatures. The story is usually about something that happened that involves real things, places, or ideas. Number four, small moments are always stretched across pages and include how the characters felt, what they said, what they were thinking, and what they did. And last, small moment stories always have many details in both their pictures and their sentences, and they help the reader make a picture in their mind. Let's take a closer look at what a small moment is and what isn't a small moment. One day there was snow on the ground. Take a close look. This is a whole watermelon. This is not a small moment because many things can happen on the ground when it's snowing. This doesn't really give us a tiny moment in a person's day. This is why the watermelon is whole. This is a bigger topic, the snowy day on the ground. Next, I went outside to play in the snow. We're getting closer. Now you notice there's a watermelon slice. This is still not a small moment because when you go outside to play in the snow, you're not really sharing a real tiny moment of that day. Many things can happen when you go outside and play in the snow. This is considered a smaller topic, but it's still not a small moment. Last, I went sledding while I played in the snow. This is definitely a small moment because it shares one exact thing that happened on that day. Today, for your assignment, you're going to listen to the story Night of the Veggie Monster, and this is a true small moment story. Your job is to pay attention and listen to what the small moment is. What is the experience in the story? What is the character doing, and how did he or she feel? Have a great time listening to the small moment, friends.